Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to talk about data types in R. So whenever we save any type of data in R, there are reserved in bunch of data types. So let's say we have this data, which is an employee data, and then in name, let's say we have Fahad or David. So the data type is going to be character. If you're coming from Python, character is exactly the same as a string, which is a data type of bunch of letters. Okay. Age, we have 25. Now integer and double, they're both numeric data type. In numeric, we have integer, which are a whole number here, and double are called float, which one? The one that has a decimal. Okay, but they're both numeric. And then we have something called a logical data type, which are Boolean data type, which are like yes and no. Here in the slides we can take a detailed look about the data types. Most of the time in data science we'll be using numeric, integer, character, logical. We won't be using that much complex. So in numeric, as I said, in numeric we have integer, in numeric we have integer, and then we have double, which are 5.5, and integer are like, let's say, only 5. Here by default, now hear this out, by default in R, any number that you write or type are called double. So they are assigned double by default. You want to make it integer, you need to add a capital L at the end. So by default, any number that you type are gonna store as a double. You want to make it integer, you need to type a capital letter to make it integer. Complex numbers are like when used usually in mathematical calculations, 2 plus 3i and so on. Okay. Character, which are a string, which is bunch of what? Letters in quotation. Okay, so you can see that we have double quotations like this one, and we have single quotation. If you start with double quotation and write hello, you need to end with double quotation. If you start with one quotation, you need to end with one quotation. You don't do like this. You start with double quotation and you end with one quotation, you're gonna have an error. Okay, so choose this one or this one, but don't use this one. Okay, and then we have at the end logical, which are Boolean types, which are like true and false. Now we're going to practice all this in RStudio in the coming video. See you in the next video.